Bullish Star Atlas cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 1 cent by 2030. Market experts accept Atlas could reach $0 2025. Bearish Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Star Atlas presentation. NFTs, the most up-to-date obsession with the web, are supposed to affect the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the internet-based video gaming area's financial potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by joining NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is preparing for the following flood of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the huge drain of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by combining blockchain systems with NFTs situated in game things and specific designs advancement. What is Star Atlas? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may combine efforts, coordinate, and battle their direction into neglected landscape because of this astonishing creation. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation action. It highlights in-game resources in light of the idea of non-fungible monetary forms, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their remarkable resources. Each component in Star Atlas is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain. Specifically, the Star Atlas games universe is huge, and players should go out on dejected, rough experiences loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outsmart different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas interactivity in the game. Players can make enormous urban communities and private ventures or rally and make decentralized independent associations to control over specific regions. Players get virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, rather than most have brought together gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. The objective is to advance the adaptation of gaming time spent on Star Atlas to give a certifiable monetary profit to investment. Specialized examination is the investigation of resources utilizing specialized pointers. It is a method for dissecting the market, using pointers made particularly for the reason. Financial backers and brokers utilize this strategy to track down opportunities for ventures or exchange, contingent upon the circumstance. Specialized examination is some of the time established on verifiable information for a resource, like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovers designs that can be used to conjecture what is probably going to occur. Key investigation is a complete strategy that requires an intensive comprehension of bookkeeping, money, and financial matters. For example, grasping macroeconomic issues, knowing valuation methodology, and having the option to decipher monetary archives are vital for performing key dissects. Likewise, it by and large purposes freely accessible information, like an organization's past income and overall revenues, to figure future development. Star Atlas is right now worth $0. Atlas has moved 4.07% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,021,921. Star Atlas is presently positioned 574 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $22,441,153 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Star Atlas to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Star Atlas market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2023. Star Atlas, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Atlas cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Atlas is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Star Atlas cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Atlas's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. Atlas might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Star Atlas effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2026. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2027. With a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Atlas has a most extreme value worth of 1 cent. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. On the off chance that Atlas figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to accumulate the help Atlas needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2029. While Atlas is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 1 cent and a yearly cost close above 1 cent in 2029. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Star Atlas will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 1 cent and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 1 cent, averaging out at 1 cent. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Atlas cost in 2031 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. And present-day innovation is utilized in Star Atlas, a vivid crypto gaming experience with astounding visuals and imaginative ongoing interaction. The game not just requests to players who are as of now mindful of blockchain innovation and digital currencies, yet additionally has every one of the characteristics that could prompt reception by a bigger gaming crowd. Besides, the game can advance the boundless reception of digital currencies in view of its imaginative in-game plan, staggering illustrations, and utilization of the Solana blockchain. It would be a productive venture, according to the most extreme cost esteem, normal exchanging esteem, least cost esteem, normal exchanging value, Star Atlas cost expectation, current cost, and normal figure value, the cryptographic money market, and Star Atlas conjecture, among various elements.